Onegaishimasu. Okay, welcome to the Fith Suburi. Like number 4, it is a forward-moving study, Suburi. But with this one, you're going to go still side to side, off the line, like 4, but you're going to include a deflection and protection. Okay? So, like 4, where you're moving forward, you're going off the line, okay, like that. Okay, if you're doing it in place. With number 4, with number 5, I mean, I'm going to show a larger extension. Okay, this involves the front hand stays there. This becomes kind of like a boat oar, okay, where this stays locked in for the most part. Okay, nothing's really 100% locked in, but you're going to come out with this hand, this foot goes out to the side. If you go straight, my energy is going that way. It's not what I want, because ultimately this movement comes and goes here. Okay? You're going to think of it as a V. So you don't want that. What you want to do is, as you roll forward, this opens up, hand and foot, the foot vectors. Okay? This aligns your target. Okay? Even though it looks like you're going here, this is coming here to shield and protect you, protect your back. It's going to wrap, your elbows are going to be tight, you're going to spin. If you notice, this sword is in the same direction as the foot. Okay? Now I do that a little more exaggerated and wider in the beginning, just so you can get used to the motion and make sure that you're fully rotating, you're fully blading when you're doing it on both sides. Okay? Eventually that will narrow. Okay? And that's ultimately where you want it. So, number 5, there's a renzoku here on this side. Comes in, you're still rowing. This wraps. As you wrap, this one has to come around because the hip and shoulder is turning. And that cuts. Okay? Now this pushes through the bottom. Okay? Now here's where the exception is, where hand and foot. So in this case, this hand is this foot here. It doesn't mean you're going to do that. Now what happens is, since you're crossing, you're going to cross feet. So as this comes up, this foot and this hand are now connected because they're crossed. Okay? See that? And you still do your wrap. It's like you're putting on a coat. Okay? The sleeve of a coat. It comes around to the back. Elbows are in. Full rotation. Okay? To the cut. And this is always extended, circles, quail legs under the armpits. So, number 5, here. You still have that forward action, still have that rowing, wrapping, cutting. Turn, 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 cut. Okay? So, a little bit from a distance here. Get a couple moves in. 8. Up. Notice how the arms remain extended. You don't give up that territory that you've gained. Okay? 8. Up. 8. You can do this forwards and backwards too. You can do it in place. So experiment with it. Have some fun with it. Okay? So like 4, moving forward. And when you get to the end, you hear, you cut, pivot, parry. Same way. Off angle, off angle, off angle, pivot, parry, and straight back. Okay? Suburi number 5. Onegaishimasu.